Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning everything that makes you smarter and helps you calculate 10 times faster. The aim of the channel is to give you some tips and tricks, some short tricks, some Vedic maths methods, some mental maths rules through which you can crack the competitive exams very easily. And when it comes to the competitive exams, it is always good to learn these tricks because skipping steps is an art. It is a skill which you have to develop. And in this video, I am going to tell you the special divisibility rules. The rules which in the textbooks are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's all we know. And if somebody asks you what is the divisibility rule of 17, or for that matter a simple number 7, we are going to get stuck because they are not given in the textbooks. So what is the way out? The way out is studying the exclusive trick to make your own divisibility rules. So when I say own, yes, after watching the video, you will be telling me the divisibility rules of all numbers, that is prime numbers, up to 99. Yes, it's a reality. And that's what happens when you are smart. And to make you smart, we have specially made this video for you. So watch the complete video. And before that, let me just tell you about this amazing ultimate guide to speed maths combo. That is volume 1 and volume 2, which is in the market now. And this volume 1 contains video links also for reference, and then 2400 practice questions, 14 different chapters. Here we have 1300 practice questions, an amazing combo which every school student should have. And all those preparing for placement exams, competitive exams, JEE, IMO, Aryabhat Garmi Challenge, Railways, Banking, CAT, MAT, what not. Quantitative aptitude is everywhere. So if you want to make a very firm base for cracking all those exams, this combo is for you. How do you get it? Either through direct purchase, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963, or we have been listed on Amazon also, the 2 volumes. The links of the Amazon are given here in the description of this video, so you can click that. I'll show you a glimpse of the books. Let us first proceed with the video. So here we have, let's talk about 11 first. We all know what is divisibility rule of 11, right? 11 odd even, you remember, that's what is taught at junior level, class 7, 8. That's what we are told. Add the even digits, add the odd digits, and subtract them. If you get a 0 or a multiple of 11, you can assure yourself that the number is divisible by 11. Is there any other rule which you know for 11? I am going to simplify that for you. And for that, I'll be using the calculator. And for calculator, why am I using the calculator? That is because I want to show you that the trick really works. So I am doing 11 times some random number, say a 5-digit number. I have taken 65874, and this number is 724614. Now see, this number automatically is divisible by 11 because that's what I have done. I have taken a number which is divisible by 11. So I don't want to do the even and odd. I want to do something special. See what I do. Separate out the last digit. Now 72461 minus 4 will give me 72457. Now keep on doing this. Separate the last digit. 7245 minus 7 is 7238. Separate out the last digit. 723 minus 8 is 715. Separate out the last digit. 71 minus 5 is 66. And there we go. We got a doublet. And as soon as you get a doublet, your answer is the number itself. The big number which you have taken initially is divisible by 11. Now I'm sure you must not have even heard about this method, unique divisibility rule of 11. And that's what is the wonder. When you start getting insights into good concepts, good things which are available to us in mathematics, you start becoming smarter. And this volume 1, I just wanted to highlight this particular volume 1 is actually good for all the school students. If you see the chapters included here, We have add, subtract, magic multiplication, division, then squares, cubes and their roots, then fractions, decimals, surds, exponents, and then we have ratio, proportion, percentages, LCM, HCF, simplification, mean, geometry toolkit, and then calendar problems. This is specially for class 5, 6, 7 students. They should have this volume 1 and practice all these things right from the beginning, so that they develop those tendencies which are required to crack the competitive exams in future. So I've shown you a glimpse of the book. I'll show you the salient features also. Let's first proceed with the rule for something which we don't know. Okay, let's say somebody asks, okay, I'll use the calculator again. Okay, so let's take a number which is divisible by 31. 31 times, say I'll pick up a random number, maybe 28793. This number is 89253. Now I want to check whether this number is divisible by 31 or not. I have taken the number through the calculator so that the number is divisible by 31 and we can convince ourselves that our answer is correct, right? Now for 31, see, the number 31 is ending in 1, right? So 31 minus 1 gives us perfect tens, that is 30. Since we subtracted 1, we will write a minus. And how many tens did we get? We get 3 tens, right? 30 is 3 tens. So minus 3. Now this number you have to remember. And this number is called actually the osculator. It's an osculator for this number 31, the divisor 31. So if you can find an osculator for every prime number, wonderful. So minus 3 is the osculator. Now see how I do the divisibility check. Here, let us separate the last digit. So we have what number? 89258. Now this is minus 3. So minus 3 times this is minus 9. And I will get a new number 892. And 58 minus 9 is 49, right? So 49. Now carry on doing this till you get a result which is easier. Now here you can see 8924 and then subtract what? 3 times 9, 27. So what do you get here? 8900 obviously, and then 3 more. So 8897, right? I subtracted them. Another time, 889 minus 3 times 7, 21, and that gives you 8, and this is 6, and this is 8, and finally one more time, 86 minus 3 times 8, 24, and that gives me, we get 62, and 62 obviously is divisible by 31, right? The double of 31 is 62, and therefore the number is divisible by 31. See how wonderfully we can find the divisibility rule of 31. And if you are a little smarter, you will find one more extra rule for 31 as well. But I want you to explore and let me know whether this method is working or not. Now I'll tell you some more very important things about divisibility rule. Before that, I'll show you the volume 2 also. This is volume 2, wherein we have given what chapters? Let's see. The chapters given are we have the speed and time problems, profit and loss, time and work, algebra and equations, then mixtures and allegations. See, all these are important topics for quant. Then age problems, train problems, pipes and cisterns, simple and compound interest, mensuration of plane figures and solid figures, essentials of probability, trigonometry, and some data interpretation also. Wonderful, wonderful compilation. And in volume 1, we have given so many videos. See, look at this, so many videos. Just study the concept using some examples. Watch the video, solve the challenge zone, and tally your answer from all the answers given at the end. See, the complete answer key is given. So it's complete in itself, and these 2 volumes are going to go a long way in upskilling yourself. So friends, last thing in this video, I'll tell you, see, suppose I need the divisibility rule of 19. So 19 plus 1 gives us 20, which is perfect tens. I added 1, so plus, and 20 is 2 tens. So I need to remember this, plus 2. And let's take a multiple of 19. So 19 times say 257 is 4883. So let's check 4883 is divisible by 19 or not. Separate out the last digit. 488 plus 2 means plus 2 times this plus 6 is 494, right? So separate out once more. 49 plus 2 times 4, 8 is 57. Now if you know 19 3 times is 57, you can stop here. If you still are confused, separate out one more time. 5 plus 2 times 7, 14, that gives you 19, and 19 obviously is divisible by 19. So would you be able to make divisibility rules yourself? I'll give you a small a DIY also. Tell me the divisibility rule of 71, divisibility rule of 61, divisibility rule of 59 in the chat here, okay? And don't forget to subscribe the channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. And if you want the combo of our speed maths books, 9896369963. This is the WhatsApp number. You can send me a message on WhatsApp or call me for any doubts. Amazon links are there in the description of this video. Do share this video with all the friends who are struggling in such concepts. I am sure they are going to feel more and more comfortable. Thanks for watching this video, friends, and all the best for the practice part.